Keys get broken in locks all the time. So, metal, this is brass. This is nickel-plated brass is what this blade is made out of. That's a fairly soft metal. It's not like steel or anything like that. You can't use steel because the metal's too hard to cut or to cut a lot of anyways. And they would also rust. So brass is the metal that is used. Now, metal, when it's used often, is going to fatigue. You might not notice any physical identifiers that your key blade is being fatigued, but typically if there's a really deep cut near the bow, this is the tip, this is the bow. If there's a deep cut here, all keys have cuts in them, then that's probably where the break is going to happen. Over time, thousands of uses, that metal will fatigue and eventually it'll get very brittle and it will snap. It will usually snap while the key is in the lock. Okay. So how do you get it out? Well, sometimes you get lucky and it's halfway hanging out, you can just pull it out. Usually it's not, it's buried deep inside, and then you'll need some very specific tools. A locksmith has these tools. Call up an automotive locksmith and they'll be able to help you. But typically what we're going to do is use tools that look like this, where we can reach in and grab the tip of that key and start to pull it towards us. We have very skinny pliers that can do similar things. And then you'll also need to have a tool that holds open the dust door. So car door locks, anyways, have a little metal door that's spring-loaded that closes when you remove the key, and that's to keep dirt and debris and water from getting into the lock. Well, you need to hold that open so you can work on getting the broken key out, and we would use a tool like this. So it just goes into the lock, spreads open, and holds that dust door open, and then we can use different tools to extract the key. If it happens in the ignition, it's a similar process, and there's varying levels of difficulty in this. If the correct key for the vehicle is what's broken, it's usually fairly straightforward on removing. If the wrong key has been forced into the lock, that can make things much, much more difficult because now a lot of pressure needs to be applied to remove it. Sometimes the lock needs to be destroyed if it's too bad. I've seen house keys put into ignition locks, and we were able to get that out, thank goodness, but I was concerned that we might not be able to. And at that point, the only option is to go to a drill and drill it out and replace the lock. And that's where things can get very expensive. If your key does break off in the lock, call a locksmith. We have specific tools to take care of that.